Hi everyone, welcome to my unboxing and review of the BesLowe 3-way dimmable table lamp. You can get this product on Amazon for about $30. Check out the link in the description. The set comes with a user manual and 2 LED light bulbs. Assembling the table lamps is very easy and only takes a few seconds. The touch control works pretty good and the lamps look really nice. The charging ports and AC outlets work without any issues and they are very convenient. You can use the charging ports and AC outlets no matter if the light is turned on or off. I tested the set for a few months and I think it's a very nice product. The lamps look really nice in my bedroom and I like the charging ports and AC outlets. So if you are looking for a not too expensive, good looking set of table lamps for your home or office, I would recommend the BesLowe 3-way dimmable table lamp. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.